YouTubers how to open the kiddie firex smoke alarm. See, not those one. I poked, not those one. We'll try to open, see how it's linked. 1, 2, 3. So those are locked. See, you just insert a flat screwdriver and close two doors and pop up one by one. Then you are all set. So see those closed, then pop up from here. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. So that one, the battery bay need to be press this side, then you can close it. But doesn't matter. But I mean, see, you can't close it because here we'll press down, then you can close this. So very simple design, but it's a pretty good design. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.